Pinoy chart.
And now let's go on to our second Shabu Shabu restaurant. Experience the taste of China dito sa David's Hot Pot Restaurant.
Let's watch this. Hi, Chinoy Brigada! I definitely feel like I'm in China and excited na ako to taste the sumptuous hot pot this restaurant offers.
Good afternoon po, ma'am. Ito po yung last menu po ng shabu-shabu po, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you po, ma'am.
现在终于轮到我带大家去我们今天要访谈的第二间火锅店。Kung kanina si Willard, ngayon ay ako naman. Samahan niyo ako sa second Shabu Shabu restaurant na ating bibisitahin, located at David's Hot Pot Restaurant.
Ang dami kong in-order. Para sa akin naman.
Hi, Dory.
Hello po, hi Sir Mike.
How was the food?
Sobrang nabubusog ako. Alam mo, gusto kong dalihin lahat ng host at Chinoy TV para ma-taste nila. Yung presentation pa lang, it's really nice. And sobrang fresh ng mga ingredients, lahat. And Sir Mike, I heard na lahat daw po nila sa menu ninyo, you created from scratch. 都是你们自己做的，你们
Yes. In the first place, so we have to stand out against yung kasi alam naman natin na maraming tindahan na ng shabu-shabu ngayon.
Yes.
And so, yung sa amin, lahat is kami ang gumagawa. Not unlike the others na binibili lang yung mga product line nila. So, mabilis gayahin.
Yeah, may quality control din.
Yep, quality
At
control.
syempre, na-make sure nyo na fresh ang lahat ng hinahain nyo sa mga
Yes,
customer.
actually, ang shabu-shabu naman talaga, ang pinag-uusapan talaga is yung freshness ng food.
Yes, dapat. Kanina, yung shrimp,
Yep.
nakikita ko pa siya na tumatalon from the plate bago ilagay ni Kuya. Dahil sa sobrang sarap na food dito sa David's Hot Pot, napili kayo as one of the top 3 best shabu-shabu restaurants, and we want to give this to you
Yep,
in
thank
behalf
you.
of Chinoy TV.
Thank you. On behalf of David's Tea House, we would like to thank the viewers of Chinoy TV and also for the people who vote for us on the Facebook for being one of the top 3 shabu-shabu restaurants in the town. So thank you, and hopefully you could enjoy our food here. We are located at Tomas Mapua Street, Santa Cruz, Manila. Try our food here. Thank you very much.
Grabe, ang takaw mo pala, Dornet. Pero actually, alam ko na yun dati. Pero
Oh my
sarap ka sa pagkain, ha?
Image ko, definitely. Alam mo ba, ito lang masasabi ko, first time ko ma-try ang hot Szechuan soup. Wala.
May kanta ko para sa'yo, you know what? Lamit.
Sobrang sarap niya pala.
Mhm.
Definitely not my last.
Ay, actually, masarap din yung next natin.
Mhm.
So right now, let's head straight to Golden Fortune Hong Kong Cuisine. After the break.
非华商联总会于11月25日星期五至26日星期六2天，辖作巴拉万省公主港市，举行中吕宋和南吕宋地区联席会议，同时邀请华文媒体对最近获选世界新7大天然奇观之一的地下阁进行实地游览。正副理事长及有关主任一行约20人，于25日上午11时30分抵达巴拉万机场，获巴拉万非华商会及中南吕宋地区代表在机场领接，然后直接骑车前往双崖大酒店，出席巴拉万非华商会的欢迎午宴，即主持中南吕宋2地区联席会议。会议首先由巴拉万非华商会理事长代表致欢迎词，并报告其任内的工作，然后 介绍出席代表庄理事长致辞。公主港市市长 Hagedorn 于当晚七时设宴欢迎出席地区联席会议的全体代表。商总在庄前进理事长率领下，一行数十人，包括奥朗亚坡、五六干、洪氏、中吕宋、邦邦嘎等地区分会成员们云集于巴拉万省公主港市，由当地巴拉万分会许汉昌、丁国莲与中南吕宋地区董事陈德芳等招待。巴拉万公主港之地下河道的评选早在2007年已开始动，在世界上220个国家中共推荐了400个景点。我国地下河道突破而出，成为7大天然奇观之一，实是有它的价值观。希望世界旅游客又会来菲国旅游，巴拉万省公主港一定会兴旺起来，让国人们在一起来努力打拼吧。
Notebook in Chinese is i-email ang tamang sagot sa info@chi-ftpd.com. Ang mananalo ay makatatanggap ng prize mula sa Ateneo Confucius Institute. Email na!